Hi, I'm in the OneMiners back office right now, and we just got a new miner in. At least I think it's a miner. It looks like a speaker to me. So maybe we can ask Lucas to unbox it.
This is Lucas from OneMiners, and this is
Gerda.
this box. It's a Fluminer L2. What do you think is inside?
I do know a little bit about it. So first things first, it does look like a speaker, but I do know that it's also a miner.
So let's unbox this thing and we will find out. It's serious Apple vibes. It doesn't look like miner.
But does it have the speaker functions?
Volume, treble, bass. Some controls there. Here, USB port, which can be for miner or for MP3, and you can power it on. Question is it powering on the miner or speaker? We have to find out. You can see over here, these are serious miner features. You have a power plug. This thing actually taking 230 watts from your socket. This is turn on switch, and Ethernet port, Wi-Fi.
So what about the decibels on this one? Is it loud or is it quiet?
Well, we need to find out first, but it's supposed to be under 40 decibels. You can see there is 12 centimeters fan over here, and it has out of blades. So I'm guessing it's going to be really silent.
So we don't need
system.
to put it in anti-noise box?
No, definitely no. This is made to be shown. Yeah.
It looks really pretty.
It's pretty, it's nice, and we can play some music.
And nobody would never know that it's a miner.
You can mine, you can disguise it as a speaker, and then someone came and asked like, are you a miner? And you can say, yes, I am.
What is in that box?
In that box it's power cord. This is power cord. In this case, this is American one. Take a look, it's thin wire. That's because this machine is consuming only about 230 watts. Really non-demanding for your power grid. You can have it almost everywhere.
So anybody can order this from OneMiners.com?
Yes.
So would you consider this miner for beginners, or this would be more like a...
I think this miner is specially designed to show off. but it can be for beginners because it looks really nice and you can really enjoy the mining. It can be also for mining professionals because you know you have already 500 machines in your mining farm, but you still need to mine on everything. Like your wall clock is mining, your speaker is mining, your computer is mining, your microwave is mining. So it's for both worlds.
And how much does this cost?
It's around €1,100 without VAT.
So it's a little bit more affordable than any other miner, to be honest.
Yes, but it's a little bit less performant. It's about half the price if you compare it, but
the
profitability is slightly lower. This machine has 1.2 gigahash per second on Litecoin script algorithm, and that means about $1.5 USD a day, which is 45 USD a month, which is 540 USD a year. In theory, of course, it really depends on how much is Litecoin and Dogecoin is doing.
Awesome. I mean, it's really, really pretty, and it's quite light as well. I mean, it also looks like a bag to me.
Let's plug it on. Let's find out how it's playing, how it's mining. I am more curious how it's playing sound than how it's mining.
Power on. Bluetooth mode.
It started humming.
Oh yes, you can feel it here in the back.
I don't dance. DJ. Okay, let's pause it and let's find out, because right now we are 80, 90 decibels. It doesn't work for us. Let's pause it. 55.
But you can't
So-
hear it anyway, so I don't...
Like you can hear it actually, but it is not super annoying. 60 decibels behind the fan itself, so you have a little aerodynamic noise. Here you are around 50. Normally, if you are measuring some noise, you are measuring some noise on device, and then you measure something around 1 meter from device. So let's move it about 1 meter that way. Yes, that's the one. That's the one. That's 40.
So my question to you is, who would buy this miner? What is the target audience?
So my target audience is for people that want to start mining and start mining in style. And second target audience is for people that are already mining but want to have some nice pretty miner at home. And this is one of prettiest miner you can find on the market. If you are audio enthusiast, this might not be the thing for you because it's a still miner, it's making noise. I think it's a great speaker, but it's a still miner. Till next time, like, comment, subscribe, and remember, keep your hash rate high and electricity bill low.
Till the next time, bye-bye.
I don't dance.